One word that's secretly killing your confidence is just. And without realizing it, many of us use this. Like, I just wanted to say that, I just realized. So, from the next time onwards, once you gonna use this word, try avoiding that, because once you use the just, it gives you unclarity, even though you are clear about what you're saying, but it seems that you are just putting unnecessary pressure to make it realize. So again, from the next time onward, try avoiding just in those normal sentences. Instead, you can say directly, I want to say, I realized that. So it would give you more confidence. And from the next time onward, once you're not using that, see the confidence in you when you're speaking. So again, thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. See you in the next video, and follow for more this kind of video.